Check out these two brand new welders from SIGWELD, the EasyWeld 130 MIG and the EasyWeld 160 MIG and stick. Both these units run off a standard 10 amp outlet. They're easy to set up and use, and they're highly portable at just 7.2 and 10.2 kilograms a piece. When you power them up, the first thing you do is choose the type of welding you're doing, gas or gasless, or the third option of stick on the 160. And just as a side note on the 160, when you select stick, you'll see the VRD automatically turns on. Then you've got the one dial that you turn to make adjustments or you press to move to one of the 4 settings. Wire size, plate thickness, wire feed speed, and then you can trim the voltage and the machine does the rest. You can also go fully manual on either machine if you know what you're doing, and there's a comprehensive setup guide inside the housing if you don't. The 130 can weld up to 6mm plate, while the 160 can go all the way up to 10mm plate, giving you ample application. What's great is you can get them out of the box, plug them in, and get welding gaslessly straight away. But if you want to weld with gas, you need to get a hose and regulator kit separately. And both units are available in combo kits as well, including wire, gloves, a helmet, and consumables. Make sure you check them out, sydneytools.com.au for all your options, or just drop in store and talk to the team. We'll get you welding in no time. If you've got any questions, hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.